In this last part of my mask making, I'm just doing some finishing touches on my mask, cutting away the mouth there. And this engraving tool pen is quite nice for small detail. And I'm also using it for the nose here to make breathing easier if I want to make it a wearable mask. And then I can start on my painting, which is always exciting but also challenging in a way. The holes on the sides are for an elastic band if I want to make it wearable, or wire if I want to hang it. Painting the face usually involves several layers of different colors. In this case, I wanted to make it white, pale, as she's the queen of the night. And then I start painting the embellishments here, the mouth with some gold acrylic paint, which is a bit sparkly there. I also add some glitter to accentuate that more. And then finally some gold leaf for more interest. And here's the final result. I hope you like it and come back for more.